The donation package of 49 euros content is 2 trees that you're giving to poor farmers in Africa. And also you're giving away 500 liters of water to poor farmers in Africa. On top of that, you're giving €1.5 to microfinance for poor farmers in Africa. And last but not least, €1.5 is given directly to Child Africa to build schools, among other things, for deaf children in Africa. Because you're giving this donation, and we are without any cut to Better Globe, giving it totally and 100% to the poor people on behalf of you. It is very transparent. You can read about it, you can see it, video, text and pictures, how that money goes to the people that needs it. Because you are doing that, Better Globe is putting aside 2 trees for you, which you actually own for 20 years. And the yield of these 2 trees will be, and that is what we estimate, and we are quite certain on that, it will yield you 7.5 times the total donation. So actually every time you donate 49 euros to a nice and good cause, we give you back over 20 years 318 euros. So that is in fact the only charity with interest in the whole world. We call that sustainable charity with interest. Those are the 2 packages, the 2 products that Better Globe sells today. And we are selling it all around the whole world, and you can just log on to betterglobe.com and find out whether you want to buy trees as the most valuable commodity you can invest in, or just simply give some donations which you make money on in the end of the day. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you back in Better Globe. Thank you. What is your impression from the Better Globe plantation in Kenya?
My impression is, well, I've been investing and buying trees in Better Globe since 2006, and it's you can tell that the trees are growing, and you can see the big difference in the years of the tree, and they're growing fast, and you can see that the oldest tree is starting to grow really big in a relatively short time. And also you can see the trees that are planted not long ago that they are growing, and you can see the it looks professional. You have the straight rows, and you have all systems in place with the watering and damming up the water and stopping the erosion, and keeping the plants moist so that they can have water to grow it. And it's everything you told me back in Norway.
So you believe that the bokal trees will be quite good after 20 years, and they will yield a lot of profit for the investors?
Yeah, from what I can see now, I'm pretty sure it will be a very, very good growth in the trees, and Better Globe will deliver what they have promised.
What do you think, Stig, about the farm of Better Globe?
The farm, just as everything else, is it's very impressive, and you can see that they have a lot of knowledge that they have put into the farm, and we talk to the farmers, and the farmers tell us that this is the best farm in the area. And the thing with the farm, it's a very good idea, because you have it's a testing and training farm. Farmers in the area can come and learn how to grow trees and how to grow vegetables and fruits and different kinds, and so that they can take that knowledge back to their own little farms, and they can make a better living and get higher standards for themselves and their families. Sosoma, it's an enormous area. Jan tried to explain the size of the land, and it's hard to imagine how big it is. It's 60,000 acres, hectares, It's filled with dried bushes and small trees right now, and Better Globe is gonna start planting trees there, and I can just imagine what it will be. In 20 years, when the trees are grown, and it will be a nice and green and very nice environment compared to today.
My impression of Better Globe, let me think. I've seen what's been done here, both in Uganda and Kenya. When we're thinking about the tree planting, it's doing a lot for the environment, for the climate. It's making jobs. It's making a whole society where we're not only giving money to the African people, but we're helping them. We're teaching them agriculture so that they, in many years' time, can help themselves. And I've got to know the leaders, the people that are behind this project, and I can see that they have a lot of passion, that they definitely are doing the right thing. They understand the people here, and they are working together with them. And the schools, Child Africa schools, that some of the money from Better Globe goes to, are really doing a good job. They're educating not only the poor, but they're educating the children who are deaf as well, the children who are lowest in society here. And they're bringing people up, they're giving them morals, they're teaching them their slogan, honesty and integrity, so that they're building a better future for everyone here in Africa. And I really believe that this is a project that is going to go far, and it's going to achieve its goals, because I've seen with my own eyes what not only the project but the people behind it are capable of. So Better Globe, thumbs up.
Well, this one is beautiful, this kind of chick. Japan guard. You can't help it. This is kind of chick. It's very tasty. They're very nice to look at.
I'd rather look at you, Granddad. They're just screaming material. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.